In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a revision guide from Notebooklm. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on your dashboard. This is where you create and manage your notebooks, so it is a good idea to take a moment to make sure you are in the right place before you start adding materials. Next, create a fresh notebook by clicking the button that says Create New. This gives you a clean workspace specifically for the subject you are revising. Keeping one notebook per topic can make your revision guides easier to find later, especially when you have multiple classes or units. After that, upload your study materials. In the pop-up window, you can choose sources like PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your drive. Select the sources you want, and then let Notebooklm load them in. When the upload finishes, your materials will appear in the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is using to answer you. A helpful tip is to only include high-quality sources like lecture notes, textbooks, and reliable videos, so your revision guide stays accurate and focused. Now you are ready to analyze the content. Move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you type your questions. Ask for what you need for a revision guide, such as a summary of a chapter, key definitions, or a breakdown of important themes. When Notebooklm responds, you will see clickable citations included with the answer. Use those citations to jump back to the exact place in your sources where the information came from. This makes it easier to verify details and build trust in your guide. Once you have useful outputs, you can also generate instant study resources using the Studio panel on the right. Choose Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview, depending on how you prefer to revise. These formats can help you review the same material in different ways, which is useful for memorization and understanding. Finally, whenever you get an answer you want to keep, click Save to Note. This helps you collect your best summaries and explanations in one place, so your revision guide grows as you work. That covers everything you need to know.